Well. Champion style, a true me a tell. A boss bingo, a well. Mobster, a well. General Oliver, a well. King Alfred, a well. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style. Them just follow we everywhere we go. I'm at this thing, you have to know.
Watch out for this youth here. Well forward to the second hour. This is Zimdancehall to the world.
My name is Oga. The boss of my tune to them mobster. Champion style, more than I. Hey, I look for it in a Jamaica. Them come me at breaker, cause me a the things maker. Dancehall shaker. Turn up the cigar, egg like gold digger, like you work me a picker. Picker like a ficker. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style. Therefore I get like marijuana. Play the music in a defana.
God got the mercy me, man. Lord, I want to see this youth here on the 31st, you know. Flavor, make sure you make a link, you know. I want to see this youth here on the 31st of March on your birthday. You hear me? You hear me? I say, Zin, I know some man, me are the commander. I know some, me don't tell you already, say me are the commander. Me don't take orders, me give orders. Make sure on the 31st of your birthday, I want to see this youth and them organized. Yeah. This youth here talented enough, Flavor. Sure. Zin, I know some of this youth here heading for greatness. You know, watch out for this youth here and them organized. Yo, Oliver, if you can't hear me now, me want to see this youth here. This youth here wicked. Oliver, that's shame. Listen to this brand new youth trust me on a brand new rhythm, I'll courtesy of the Gully Views. A rhythm thing called the Touchline Rhythm is introduced a you called Organized. Believe me, man, if this youth here keep focus, me not say me reach somewhere. Watch out.
Gully View Records, baby.
Well. Champion style.
We got yourself in a bingo.
A boss bingo. A well. Mobster. A well. General Oliver. A well.
This one is called Champion Style.
A well. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are.
My first time to hear this youth here. Trust me, I'm impressed.
Them just follow we everywhere we go. I'm at this thing, you have to know.
Lord God have mercy me, man. Jesus, Mary and Joseph, I could have wassa. Me never know say man we have enough talent like this in around here. Jesus, what? Play that one here.
Gully Records, baby.
Well.
New youth in Organized. Wicked. Listen to the style, the pattern.
A boss bingo. A well. Mobster. A well. General Oliver. A well. King Alfred. A well. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one.
Listen to this part now.
Them just follow we everywhere we go. I'm at this thing, you have to know. Champion style, everywhere we go. My name is Oga. The boss of my tune to them mobster. Champion style, more than I. Hey, I look for it in a Jamaica. Them come me at breaker, cause me a the things maker. Dancehall shaker. Turn up the cigar, egg like gold digger.
Let me start with Emmanuel.
Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done.
Champion style, we not afraid of any man.
We are one. Champion style. Therefore I get like marijuana. Play the music in a defana. Talk about we in a the corner. Who can go the disaudi in the farmer?
Wicked!
Not that I mean I fight them. Mobster, give me rhythm, ya go right then. You have to put a chick for me side them. tell them a champion style, eh? Ah, well, Mobster, ah, well, General Oliver, ah, well, King Alfred, ah, well, champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style, we not afraid of any man. Mobster tell them that we are the done. Hey, a big deal that we are one. Champion style.
Trust me, man, great is great and they could never underrate and there's no substitute for quality. And you call the organizer on the brand new rhythm. I'll get this up the one call if you to rhythm think of the touchline rhythm.
Style everywhere we go.
Style, you can't spy it.
The boss of my team to them Mobster. Champion style.